Need to swap out your bank account on Robinhood? Here's a smooth way to do it. Launch the app and tap the account icon at the top right, or you can search transfers in the search bar right here. Now go to linked accounts. You'll see your current bank listed. Tap it and select unlink. Now go back and tap add account. You can link your new bank using Plaid, which securely connects by logging into your bank directly. Once connected, you will be ready to deposit or withdraw money using the new account. If Plaid does not work, you can manually enter your bank's routing and account number instead. Just make sure to verify it. Have you ever had trouble linking a new bank account? Let me know in the comments below. If this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe and leave a comment. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.